Would you like to make more money in network marketing this year? Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I first started in network marketing over 30 years ago. I was fortunate to get where I could do it full time. I haven't worked a real full-time job in 20 years now. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. So let's start out with a clear definition of network marketing and what makes our profession so great. And yes, it is a profession, one you can be proud of. There is a lot of misinformation out there when it comes to network marketing. So let's start by clearing that up. Network marketing is a business model that's been around for as long as I can remember. In its simplest form, it's another method of selling a product or service. The people in the business are referred to as distributors or representatives. What can make it so lucrative is that you can earn an income not just on your sales, but also the sales of other distributors who are part of your team. If you take the time to help others be successful, you can really leverage your income. Here's what I like best about it. You are your own boss, setting your own hours, and you can build long-term recurring income too. That recurring or passive income is great. That's what lets me ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer while most people are busy at their jobs. That's the real reason I do this. But don't be fooled, it is work. Massive success will not come overnight. But network marketing is something almost anyone can do. Most importantly, you need to know that it is not a pyramid scheme. I don't know who started that nonsense, but it's not accurate. Network marketing is all about sales of a product or service. Pyramid schemes are about recruiting people with zero focus on a product. The biggest secret to success in network marketing that I can share with you is to find the right people to work with and the right system to build your business. This will prove to be more important than even the actual business you build. See, without being part of a good team with systems and support, training and mentoring, you will literally be on your own. I'm convinced that's the main reason that so many people who do put in the effort still fail. I can't overemphasize the importance of this. Start by looking for the right person to team up with. He or she can show you what works. And that's the number one secret to making money in network marketing. Copy what works. You just need the right system and mentor. That's why I always suggest finding them first. With that in mind, I encourage you to learn more about working with me. Spend a few minutes at my blog, joebarclay.com. Read some of my blog posts and the various pages and get to know me. Check out my resources page where I share the tools and resources I personally use and recommend. Many are free. And then reach out to me. I'll be glad to share the details on what's working so well for us and our team and how it can do the same for you too. Again, that's joebarclay.com. I look forward to hearing from you.